Have you ever thought, why do we yawn? If not, then this video is for you. Now listen, suppose someone makes you work for 24 hours, then you will get tired. But it's different for me, I get tired even after resting. But look, it's not like that in reality. When we let our body rest on time, then our body gets rest, but our brain never rests. It keeps working for 24 hours, 365 days a year. Now because our brain works so much, it gets hot, and we yawn to cool our brain. As soon as we open our mouth, the blood vessels that go to the brain get clogged, and more blood will go to the brain. While yawning, we take in the cold air from outside, and this cold air cools the blood going to the brain. And then we take out the hot air from the mouth. If you find this video a little bit informative, then you have to like and subscribe.